And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a hand grinder. Well, it's a pepper grinder set, so it's salt and pepper. Not a lot to look at on the box, and we will open it up and see what's inside. Nothing else in there. Got a nice wooden base. And they've got the salt and pepper grinders themselves. And pop that there. So that's what they look like. I've got the salt and pepper grinders down in my kitchen, and we need to obviously fill them up. So you unscrew the little bit on the top, pull off that thing there, and this little piece pulls out. So that's where you put your salt and pepper. So I'll fill them up and we'll see if they're any good. Now I've got rock salt in the one of them, and we've got peppercorns in the other. Now I'm going to reassemble them, and we'll see if they're any good at grinding. One thing I will say, the reserves are not that big, so you don't need a lot to fill them. They're very easy to assemble and disassemble, so that's a plus. Just got to get that into position there. There we go. So they're assembled. Now all I have to do is test them.